So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the keyboard vibrations on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So all you need to do is just open the settings app, then select the option sounds and vibration, look for system vibration and select it. From here you should see Samsung keyboard with a toggle next to it. So currently the toggle is turned on, which is why whenever I use my Samsung keyboard on my A36, I can feel vibrations whenever I'm typing. So if you want to get rid of those vibrations or you want to turn them off, just tap on that toggle like that to disable them. And now, whenever you use your phone or your keyboard on your phone, you can no longer feel any vibrations whenever you press on the keys. If you want to restore the vibrations, then just go back, tap on the toggle to turn it on, and then start typing, and you should be able to feel the vibrations. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.